one of the extended ER feature, which is the category and the union, which is category and the union and or category, union or category. So relationship of one super class or subclass with more than one super class. Yeah. So owner is a subset of the two classes vehicle. In short, right? Vehicle, house, and owner. Yeah. So you can make one superset, and which is a union, which is union of two set. In that case, you can show like this one. Yeah. Relationship of, we can take one owner. Yeah. Owner or house or vehicle. So, and you can, is one superset. So that may be a case of like the person. Person is a superset. So we can represent person as a superset, and person, some person is a in particular person, right? We can form the person as a superset, and we can divide into various subset. So union. So person is a united set from various different set together. Yeah, you can form in that way. So this is all about the perception of your own mind. Yeah, this is all about how you think betterly and forms and represent. That is the perception. And that perception will be changed from person to person. So this is all optimality case, right? So this is, we cannot be say, if you somebody assume that this is the other way we can represent and this is the other way you can represent. So you are all right. So you are all right because your perception is different. So this is all about the perception, how you think betterly and design. So it is a design aspect. So it is all about design, right? And design change as per your thinking. How you think, a design change. You all about the right, but you always think betterly. So you should be once. So how we can say it is a better thing? If the design you made by you or the design created by you, it is supposed to be converted into implementation. There should not be a bigger pause in between that. Yeah. So there will be a successful implementation from the design. Then and then you can say this is a better design than this one. Better only. We cannot be say a completely wrong design. Remember, we can compare in a terms of better, good, and best. So sometimes we cannot be say it is a wrong diagram. Remember, this is a wrong ER diagram. So the ER diagram drawn by one student, according to their own perspective, it is right, and according to their own perspective, it is right. But somebody has their different perspective towards that, so they can create a better diagram than them. So we can compare only the things better, best, and good. So it is all about it. So how you think and design, that's things only. So ER diagram never be a wrong, never be a wrong. So the things you are right, but you always think optimally and design it. Think so it is only come through the practice. Yeah, it is. So you should be a practicize the thing. Remember, very clear. So ER diagram and any design, it is a perception of our mind. Perception of our mind. So how you think and design, how you think and design. So we can say this is a generalization, other example, specialization, other example. So here is a specialization. This is the other derives from the other example of the specialization. Yeah. So vehicle is a car, truck, motorcycle, right? Yeah. So this is other example I'm taking here of the specialization. Yeah. Vehicle can be divided into some classes by the process of specialization. It can be a vehicle, may be a car, vehicle may be a truck, vehicle may be a motorcycle. Vehicle also an entity, car is also an entity, truck is also an entity, motorcycle is also an entity. Yeah. So the process of top-down approach, bottom-up approach. Yeah, remember, right? So generalization, it is more generalized bottom-up approach. Yeah, generalized bottom-up process, right? So from the car, from the truck and motorcycle, if you together, these all are vehicle. These all are vehicle. So we can form the one generalized entity set which is vehicle. Yeah, this is the other example of generalization. Yeah, so union we know, aggregation we understood. So aggregation is other here also. Aggregation we can see here, right? Read the example. Read the example. Relationship work on is higher level entity set, such as entity set features some manner of other entities. We can create the binary relationship. We can create the binary relationship between manager and work on and manager to represent who manages the task. So it is all about the thinking. Yeah, it is all about the thinking. So in normal life, without aggregate, we cannot be associate to relation. But with the help of aggregation, we can associate the relation. Remember, with the help of aggregation, we can associate to relation. Yeah, we can associate to relation. Work on and manages. Both are the relation. Both are the relation. They are associated with each other. Employee, a manager. Employee, a work on, manages, manager. So this is only possible in case of aggregation. In normal life, it is not possible. As ER diagram say, as a condition of ER diagram that normally we cannot be associate to relation. But if we want to associate, in worst case, then use the aggregation. So we can say manager is an employee. Manager is a employee. If so, manager also work on. Manager is also work on. If the manager work on the other relation which manages, then we can say manager manages and work, then employee. So this is the association, yeah, and it is only possible in case of aggregation. It is only possible in case of aggregation. It is only possible in case of aggregation. Remember. So again, I am going right. I will show you the highlight of the today's lectures. So we are saying what is the specialization. So I will spend 1 minute in each PPT right now. 1 minute in each PPT. Please note it down the point and read thoroughly. Please note it down the point because next is the you have to draw the ER diagram for the library. Yeah, by considering the extended ER diagram feature. Yeah. So what is next problem statement is that everybody has to be, and this will be the assignment. Everybody has to be draw the ER diagram by considering the feature of uh, extended diagram. By considering the feature of extended ER diagram, or by considering the extended ER features. You have to draw the ER diagram for considering the database library. Yeah, considering the database library. And you have to be add the flavor of the extended ER features. So for that, you should know the what are the extended ER diagram features and how to represent in the ER diagram. How to represent it and in what way we can represent it. So you should know that. So you can take the screenshot of each PPT or you can note down the point which you feel that it is important. It is up to you which is important for you and which is not important for you. So you should note down the point or you can take the screenshot of each PPT because that will help us to complete the problem statement to draw ER diagram for library database management system by considering the extended ER feature. By considering the extended ER feature. Please note it down. I will spend 1 minute on each PPT. You have to read, you have to note down the point, you have to note down the important point for you. You feel this is important, please note it down. I will spend 1 minute on each PPT now and then later on we will discuss the ER diagram of the library database management system with extended ER features. Please note it down. Now you can draw the ER diagram for library database management system. ER diagram for library database management system. Now you can draw the ER diagram for library database management system. Yeah. So this is the ER diagram. Please go through that. Yeah. This is the ER diagram. Please draw it because you have to submit on the assignment also. You have